Good evening, Robert Scribbler. It is July 3rd, 2018. Thank you for joining me for another climate and clean energy blog, video blog in this case. And for this segment, I'm going to be looking with you at some major milestones that have been produced by a leading clean energy company, Tesla, which produces electrical vehicles, solar roofs and solar panels, and energy storage systems. Now, I'm going to go ahead and run this video that's been handed out by Tesla this evening, and it just gives you an idea of how rapidly Tesla is moving Model 3, Model S, and Model X vehicles. And I'm going to go ahead and just run this in the background as I go over some of the numbers that have just come out from Tesla. So according to Tesla, they have produced nearly 7,000 electrical vehicles in the final week of June. And this is an amazing number of electrical vehicles. If extrapolated over the course of a year, it would be more than 350,000. Of course, this is Tesla's surge rate production. So right now, that's not the present steady rate of production, but what's tended to happen is that Tesla's surge rate production for the present quarter tends to become Tesla's steady rate production for the future quarters. So it's possible that Q3 of 2018 will see Tesla averaging between 6,000 and 7,000 electrical vehicles per week if the present trend holds. Now, for Q2, Tesla really crushed it. Overall, producing, according to Inside EVs, 53,339, and this is also based on Tesla's report at the end of the quarter. And this is a considerable growth over Q2 of 2017, nearly doubling the total production from last year at the present time. Now, this surge in production is primarily due to Model 3 production, and according to Tesla, 28,578 Model 3s were produced through the quarter of Q2 of 2018, while Model S and X produced nearly 25,000. And so this is more than double Model 3 production for the first quarter, even though Model 3 production led to substantial growth in Q1. Now, deliveries were somewhat less than production, particularly in this quarter, probably because Tesla is trying to position itself to maximize return for incentives for EV sales. And so vehicles delivered, according to Inside EVs, are approximately 40,000, which is still up 85% year on year from 2017. And again, this is considerable growth, with an estimated 18,440 Model 3s delivered and 22,000 combined Model S and Model X delivered. Now, a portion of this delivery went to Canada, and so I think on average we'll probably see about 2,000 Model 3s that went to Canada during June. And so US sales for Model 3 US deliveries for Model 3 in June will probably be in the range of 6,000 to 8,000 if these Inside EVs estimates are correct, and if my estimate of approximately 2,000 vehicles, Model 3 vehicles going to Canada is correct. Now, these numbers, just to give you some context, are well ahead of any other EV manufacturer presently in the world. And Tesla is still surging production with its Q2 end Q2 ambition for the next couple months being to surge production again by late August to 6,000 Model 3s per week and an implied 8,000 electrical vehicles per week by late August. So these are major milestones for Tesla, and obviously Tesla is hitting the goals that it set for itself earlier at the end of Q1. And this is major cause for celebration for anyone that supports electrical vehicles and the clean energy transition. In addition, it appears that Tesla has about 420,000 Model 3s still on order, and it will take at least a year and a half to 2 years for Tesla to move through those orders, and Tesla is likely to continue to get significant orders for Model 3 through that period. So overall, Tesla saw a blockbuster second quarter for 2018, and prospects look good for electrical vehicle mass production coming from Tesla over the third quarter. And Tesla states that it's on goal for profitability in the third and fourth quarter. In the end, it's likely that Tesla will see in the range of 8,000 to 10,000 per week Model 3 production sometime by 2019. Thank you and good evening.